Hello, today I'm in Jeep Renegade. In this video I'll show you how to use front wipers. In the beginning, let's take a look behind the right side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this lever. To use front wipers, you can push the lever once upwards to use it in mist mode. And also, if you want to use in constant mode, you can twist the top part of the lever downwards. Now we are using it in slow constant mode, then a little bit faster. Now it's low mode and the high speed mode. To disable front wipers, set it to 0 position. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.